Hi super funners! Today you get to see my big cats and watch me construct a lion cave. Lots of wildlife including lions, jaguars, cheetahs, leopards, snow leopards, tigers, white tigers and much more. Let's get started. This base section has two main pieces that lock together, and now add the base rock and the top rock. Next, some vegetation. Just slide the pieces together. This line comes with a cave. You can see that it is a female. Only the male lions have a mane. Lions are the second largest big cat species in the world. Tigers are number one. And the lion comes with a bone. So that is a complete set. And here we have a rattlesnake. They are found in North and South America. They mainly eat small rodents and lizards. This is a snake's nest. And here is my black mamba. It's one of the world's deadliest snakes. Lions are very social animals, usually living in groups called prides of about 10 to 15 animals. A pride may contain females, offspring, and a few adult males. They need to eat a lot, so they hunt large animals, such as zebras and wildebeest. Lions can reach speeds of up to 50 miles an hour or 80 kilometers an hour in short bursts. Most lions found in the wild live in the southern and eastern parts of Africa. An adult male's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. That would be 5 miles away. The female lions do 85 to 90% of the pride's hunting, so that the male lions can patrol the territory and protect the pride. The average female lion weighs around 290 pounds, which is 130 kilograms. Female lions find male lions with darker manes more attractive. A male lion can weigh up to about 400 pounds, which is 180 kilos. In the wild, a lion lives for about 12 years. And here's the lion cub, so cute. Jaguars are the third largest of the big cats, after the tiger and the lion. It is the largest of all the big cats in America. They are only found in North and South America. Jaguars are found in dense rainforest, forested areas and open plains. They have spots much like a leopard, but they tend to have more of a rosette look with a dot in the middle, and they're larger and not so many. Jaguars enjoy water and are good at swimming. To catch prey, they can leap from a tree into the water. Ah, here's the baby. Such beautiful blue eyes. And are known to stalk and ambush prey. A jaguar's powerful jaw has a bite force stronger than a lion. Cheetahs are easily identified by their unique black spots on gold or yellow coats and are known for their amazing speed. The cheetah is the world's fastest land mammal. A sprinting cheetah can reach 45 miles per hour, which is 72 kilometers per hour, within 2.5 seconds. They can run up to 64 miles per hour, which is 103 kilometers per hour, for a brief time. They live on open grasslands. They like to hunt at dawn and dusk by stalking, catching and killing their prey by knocking it over and then suffocating their prey with pressure on their throat. Their main diet includes smaller animals such as hares, warthogs and young wildebeest, gazelles and birds. They are able to outrun their prey on the open grasslands. They only need to drink water every 3 or 4 days. The cheetah's spotted fur helps camouflage it in the grass so it can ambush its prey. Cheetahs are mostly found in sub-Saharan Africa and in eastern and southern African parks. Some cheetahs can still be found in northern Niger, Iran and southern Algeria. This is a king cheetah. The cheetah is well built for speed with its finely tuned, powerful, sleek body. Once emperors and other royalty kept cheetahs as pets. In the 16th century, cheetahs were trained and used to hunt gazelles. Leopards hunt prey at night. A leopard protects their food from other animals by dragging it high up into the trees and returning only when they are hungry. Adult leopards are solitary animals. Each adult leopard has its own territory where it lives, and although they often share parts of it, they tend to avoid each other. Leopards can also have black fur with dark spots, as well as the more common golden spotted fur. A leopard's body is designed for hunting. They are fast, sleek and powerful. Excellent swimmers, climbers and can leap and jump long distances. They like to hunt prey at night and can run at 35 miles per hour, which is 57 kilometers per hour. They live mostly in sub-Saharan Africa, with small numbers also found in India, Pakistan, Malaysia, China and Indochina. This is a snow leopard. They live in the steep rocky mountains of Central Asia, including the Himalayan mountains in the countries of Nepal, India, Pakistan, Mongolia, China, Afghanistan and Russia. In the summer months, snow leopards hunt goats, sheep, birds, ibex and other small animals high up in the mountains. In the cold winter months, they migrate from the mountains to the lower forest. Snow leopards vary in colour from cream to pale yellow, light tan or light grey colour. Their thick fur is patterned with darker rosettes and keeps them warm in their cold climate. Snow leopards have pale green or grey eyes. They store fat in their tail. This is a tiger. Tigers are the biggest species of the big cat family. Most tigers live in Southeast Asia, China, Korea and Russia. Tigers like to live in swamps, grasslands and rainforests. A tiger's habitat would include trees, bushes and clumps of tall grass. Tigers are solo hunters at night time. They have been known to reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, which is 65 kilometers per hour. Tigers can easily jump probably about 15 feet or 5 meters in length. That is so cute with a baby. Subspecies of the tiger include the Sumatran tiger, the Siberian tiger, Bengal tiger, South China tiger, Malayan tiger and Indo-Chinese tiger. This is a white tiger. These rare white tigers carry a gene that is only present in about 1 in every 10,000 tigers. A white tiger's pale coloration is due to the lack of the red and yellow pigments that normally produce the orange colour. So there's a deficit there. Like all tigers, the white Bengal tiger stripes are like fingerprints, with no two tigers having the same pattern. The stripes of the tiger are a pigmentation of the skin, which means if you shaved the fur off the skin, you would still see the stripe pattern on the skin. The tiger cub. And beautiful blue eyes again. And one last look. Thank you for watching my video. Stay on for lots more videos right here on Super Fun Reviews. See you again soon.